Hey y'all, it's Bear. Look here, it's Tuesday, it's lunchtime, I'm hungry. So we got a Canteen cup and we got some more eggs. I got to thinking about it afterwards, and egg salad, man, you can just do so much with it. You can make a keto lunch, you can even do this vegan and use tofu instead of the egg. Who knew? But I mean, so you can make it fit any diet and you can fix it up any way you want. But with a couple of basic ingredients, you can make a basic egg salad on the trail, and then you can just do whatever else you want with it. All right, so my thought was, get rid of these guys, but out on the trail with some mayo packets, some mustard, some eggs, and this is in lieu of a sweet relish packet, you can make egg salad sandwiches, or egg salad, whatever you want to do with it. You know, you can add some hot sauce to it and make it a little bit of hot like that, or maybe use some horsey sauce from Arby's with it. You can put parsley in it, put chives, a little pepper, a little salt. It's the stuff I brought with me today, and I didn't have any sweet relish. I thought I had a pack of sweet relish, but I don't. So I brought some roasted red pepper and some pickled asparagus we're gonna chop up to go in it. But you can do whatever you want. You could put avocado in it, or you could put some tuna in it and skip all the bread and make it keto. You know, it's all up to you, but let's get in the Canteen cup and start cooking the eggs. All right, so boiled eggs are gonna be really efficient on our stove because we're gonna wanna start them off in cold water. So let's put the eggs in there and some water. And I'm just gonna cover them plus about an inch or so. Using my pocket rocket today. Man, she's a great stove for boiling up some water. But once that comes to a boil, we're gonna cut it off, and we're just gonna set the old chicken here for like, I don't know, anywhere between 8 and 12 minutes, depending on how much you like your egg done. Oh, we got a boil. All right. Get that out of the way. And now we're gonna set the old chicken. All right, so I'm gonna use my little Buck Max light today. I thought I had a little pouch of sweet relish from hot dogs, and lo and behold, I don't. I thought I had sweet relish in my refrigerator. I didn't have that either. So this is what we're doing. We got pickled asparagus. I think it'd be easier to do the tops. I'll leave a little stem to hold on to. And I grabbed a hunk of roasted red pepper from the jar in my refrigerator and brought that along. And honestly, I don't know if this is going to be any good in my salad or not. I'm just making this up as I go. I'd love to hear what y'all put in your egg salad. Put it down in the comments below. Hey y'all, my chicken's about to go off. And I set the chicken for 12 minutes. So we're gonna see what these eggs did after 12 minutes. There she goes. Eggs should be ready. So let's crack them up and see what we get. Water's still steaming. Yeah, she's still hot. Now, the next thing you're normally gonna do is throw those eggs in an ice water bath. Oh, I've got some cold creek water. So we're gonna pour that in there and see if we can't start cooling those guys off. All right, y'all, I'm on my second cool creek water bath. The first one, the water got warm, I dumped it out, and I filled this back up, and I think we're cooled off about as much as we're going to like this. So let's find out how my eggs cooked. It's been a tough one, y'all. Ah, I'm losing my egg. There we go, that one came off nice. Whoops. Let's get that guy in there and get the rest of that shell off. Man, I'm making a mess, y'all. All right, so let's see how we did. Oh yeah, it's just cooked. That's perfect. That yolk is just a touch soft, so you might want to leave it a couple more minutes if you want it really nice and hard. I finally got the shell off of this guy, I think. But I mutilated this poor egg in the process. Here we are, we're going to chunk them up. There we go, that works, right? Alright, so let's start putting stuff in. Let's see, we need some mayonnaise. I brought 2 packs, 1 pack per egg. That's my thought on this. I don't know if that's going to work out right or not, but we're getting ready to find out. And some mustard. And some black pepper. Salt. Some parsley. And some chives. Well, there we go. I think we've got egg salad. Just that quick and easy. And if you're ketoing it, that's it. Eat lunch. And otherwise, I'm going to put it on some bread. All right, let's make a sandwich. Here we go. Or we can do a cracker. Or a wrap. All right, there's lunch. All right, so here we go, egg salad. What we got? Man, I'm ready. I'm hungry. I'll try a bite right here first. I saved myself one. There. Sweet, man, that's egg salad. There you go, fix it up any way you want on the trail. I'm gonna dig in and have lunch, and we'll see you on the trail.